Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I am going to cover my grays and do a balayage color kit from Madison Reed. I've done their color on my head for you guys before, and I love it. I sometimes vary between at-home color with Madison Reed, and sometimes I still go to my colorist at the salon. She's a friend of mine, so I don't want to stop seeing her, but I can't always fit in my appointments based on time and even her schedule. And yeah, so she actually has told me she does not mind the Madison Reed color at all because it's so gentle. It's so blended. Like, it doesn't make her job harder. And so I'm going to do my base color to cover my gray. You can see right here, it may not be as easy for you to see on camera as it is for me when I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my God, it's all gray. But I definitely have my grays coming through and a lot right here, which I know I don't even see. So I have to remember that other people might see that part of me, but I don't. But I still need to take care of it. So I'm going to use Bologna Blond, I guess if you're Italian. And it's a cool blonde, but it's a little lighter than the light Veneto Brown, which that's more like my winter shade, because that's a nice cool blonde tone, light brown tone. So I'm gonna cover that up, cover my roots up with the color, and then I'm going to balayage. Probably not today just because of time, but you can do it. You can do it the same day if you want. You can do one versus the other. It's all good. So yeah. Some of you have asked how I do the back of my hair, and I kind of just do it via feel. And then what I do is I go in my bathroom and I check between two mirrors to just make sure that it's saturated. And then I even take a couple pictures, just snap a few with my phone behind my head so I can look in, I can zoom in on the photo and just make sure I've covered every inch of my hair. So I'm actually gonna start back here because, oh, I need a comb. You want to save about half the color because you're going to do the rest of your head. If you don't want to do the rest of your head, feel free to keep applying it to the roots. That's fine. Sometimes I don't want to kill my highlights if I'm not doing. See you later. So we to continue applying the rest of the color just to blend everything out. Hi, Phoebe. Phoebe just brushed up against my legs, but now I can't pick her up because, yeah. Okay, now that I've done that, this goes on for just another 5 minutes And then I'm gonna pop in the shower and I'm gonna shampoo and condition this off, and I'll come back in a little bit. All right, so I am back. This is my finished color with the Bologna Blond. I mean, look at this, you guys. It is so multi-dimensional, which I know is their key word, but I just find it to be incredibly natural, shiny. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the balayage kit the same day you color your hair, or you can do it another day. It's completely up to you. It comes with everything you need. It's their Light Works activator and cream. There's gloves, there's caps, there's even, and this is the most amazing, I think, a toning glaze. And my stylist was really impressed when I told her it comes with that, because that's what gives the hair such a nice, natural transition to highlights. My stylist always uses a toner on me when she does highlights and foils, so I think it's a great touch and makes the Madison Reed kit stand out. All right, so what you do is brush your hair, divide your hair, and center it, clip it, sections. So you want to make sure your sections are done before you do the activator. The activator from start to finish should take 20 minutes. So spending extra time parting your hair, doing that kind of thing is going to diminish your clock, right? Okay. Definitely prepare yourself with plenty of old towels, an old t-shirt. Yeah, don't do this with your newest Stitchfix outfit. So I'm squeezing cream into, look at that, it's purple. You want to shake this for 60 seconds. I'm going to take your first section over your ear. It says to start on the left side of your head. And here is your wishbone applicator. It's kind of fuzzy, and you take product, take your product onto the wishbone, hold your section hair down and straight, hold the applicator straight up, and paint. I don't know if you guys can see, I might have to cheat a little because it's hard to do this on camera. I don't think I'm using the wishbone applicator the way I'm supposed to, but I'm going to process for an additional 40 minutes. You can process 25 to 40 minutes. I want the full meal deal. I want to get really blonde, and I know that my hair can take it. So there we go. I'll see you in 40 minutes. Okay guys, it has been a full 40 minutes. This strand right here I'm very excited about because apparently I applied it kind of thick. That's the fun thing about balayage. It is not necessarily precise. It looks beachy. It looks like you've been outside. Your hair is just sun bleached. So I'm gonna wash this out. I'm going to use the Bond Building Cleansing Treatment, which is a cleanser and a conditioner, and it helps smooth the cuticle and strengthen the strands that have been bleached and highlighted. And then I'm going to put the toner on, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition completely. So the next time you'll see me, I will have dry, blow-dried hair, you know what I mean, styled, all that good stuff. Yeah. Here we are. My hair is washed, conditioned. I blew it dry, kind of made it beachy, I didn't really work it. It's not either straight nor curled. It's just kind of like air dried in a way, but I kind of blew it dry on low. You know what I mean. All right, let's talk about the shade, the way it feels. It's kind of amazing. I love that there's just so much dimension. I love that it looks like I've been on vacation at a beach. It reminds me of when I was a little kid and I just spent hours upon hours outside in the summer swimming or running through the sprinkler and then just like being in the sun and everything just kind of getting freckled and sunburned and my hair just like bleaching, which is probably not good in a way, but we'll talk about that another day. But yeah, so you can tell. So, you know, the roots still are dark. That's the balayage thing, is that these are just like chunky highlights. I missed the back a little bit. If you were to be behind me, I think that was because I was sitting here at my desk. When I stand up in my bathroom and I can see the back of my head in my mirror, I do a lot better of a job. Now, the toner was amazing because when I first washed my hair, I could see quite a bleach demarcation. Not bad, but just kind of like very visible. And then the toner, oh my goodness, it blended everything so nicely. And just take good care of your hair now that it's bleached, it's more porous, all those rules apply. So that's why I just have a ton of product in to kind of give it some shine, and you know what I mean, just to kind of, it's gonna be thirsty. So thank you so much, Madison Reed, for sending me that kit. I do have a discount code below. Feel free to try it out for yourself. I really think that you will not be disappointed. Follow their color guides, their shade guides. Make sure that you are within your shade family. Read the instructions. Get any kind of help you want with their stylists and colorists that they have via chat or whatever, because they're there for you if you have a question. And yeah, let me know what you think, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.